Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to use Grok AI for crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading can often seem like a daunting task, especially with its rapid market changes and complex data. But don't worry, because today we're going to explore how Grok AI can simplify this process for you. Imagine having a personal assistant who can guide you through the intricacies of the crypto market, providing you with real-time insights and detailed analysis. That's exactly what Grok AI can do. It's a tool designed to make crypto trading more approachable and manageable, even for beginners. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of using Grok AI for effective crypto trading. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Grok and hit enter. You'll be presented with a list of results, but it's crucial to find the official Grok website. Look for a URL that matches the legitimate domain and features a secure connection, indicated by a padlock symbol. This step is vital because crypto tools often attract imitators, and you want to ensure you're interacting with the authentic platform. Once you've confirmed you're on the official Grok page, you should be greeted by a straightforward interface. This is where you can start engaging with Grok. If you find yourself on a general product page instead, don't fret. Just look for a clearly labeled option to open the chat experience. The objective here is to reach the section where you can type in your questions and receive responses from Grok in real time. Now that you're set up, it's time to use Grok to analyze the crypto market. Start by asking clear and focused questions. For instance, you might want to inquire, can you provide a current overview of the crypto market and highlight today's key movers? This will give you a snapshot of the market dynamics. For deeper insights, add some context to your query. You could request a comparison of Bitcoin and Ethereum over the past 2 weeks, considering aspects like price action, trading volume, and notable news. Be specific about the format you'd prefer. Perhaps you want a summary in 3 bullet-style paragraphs or an explanation that's tailored for someone new to trading. Grok can also assist with scenario analysis. You might ask, could you outline potential bullish, neutral, and bearish scenarios for the next month? And what are the main catalysts for each? If understanding risks is your priority, say something like, identify major risks I should watch, including regulatory headlines, changes in liquidity, and macroeconomic events. When Grok delivers its answers, it's important to dig a bit deeper. Ask it to cite the data timeframes and assumptions it's using. Questions such as, what time period are you referencing? Or, are you using on-chain metrics or exchange data? Can be very enlightening. If any part of the response is unclear, don't hesitate to request a simpler explanation. You could say, define these indicators in plain language and explain how they impact decision-making. For added convenience, you can even ask Grok to create a checklist to guide your daily reviews, such as, turn this analysis into a quick set of questions I can revisit daily. Always remember that Grok provides research support and not financial advice. It's essential to cross-check its insights with reliable charts and news, and to consider multiple sources before making any trading decisions. If you wish to refine your analysis without changing your initial steps, fine-tune your prompts. You could specify, focus on spot markets, ignore derivatives, or prioritize long-term fundamentals over short-term fluctuations. For those interested in altcoins, Grok can help you compare them by market cap, liquidity, and narrative strength. You can also request insights on potential red flags to avoid falling into hype-driven traps. Use Grok as a structured, fast way to process market information. Keep your questions precise, follow up as needed, and validate key claims to transform Grok's AI analysis into clearer and more confident crypto research. And that wraps it up. If how to use Grok AI for crypto trading feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online, because plenty more guides are on the way.